They came to Omni Mount Washington Resort and Spa as interns, curious, eager, and full of potential. Now they're leaving confident, capable, ready to lead. This isn't just a summer job, it's a launchpad.
Omni really believes in finding out what their goals are, what their ambitions are professionally, and really making them happen.
Hello everyone, I'm Céline McArthur, your Slopeside Storyteller. That's Margaret Callahan, Omni's Recruitment Sourcing Manager. But to these interns, she's more than a manager, she's a mentor and a guide.
Margaret might be one of my favorites in the hotel. She's been such a backbone supporting all of us. I know that everyone here loves her.
With 20 years in New Hampshire public schools, most of it in career and technical education, Margaret knows how to match students with opportunities and set them up to succeed. From the front desk to the kitchen, events to housekeeping, these interns don't just shadow, they show up and show what they're made of.
I had always come up here when I was younger. We'd come up for Christmas and see like the Christmas tree and everything in the lobby, and it was always just like such an exciting time for me. And I saw the posting and I was like, I have to check this out and see if I could get into it.
Ellie Robinson joined Fabian Station hungry to learn and walked into a role way bigger than expected.
It's a little scary, but it came in, it was just like immediately everybody treats you like as an equal, and they put you in, they show you the rope.
She quickly rose to a full-time position, a food and beverage supervisor, proof that at Omni, potential meets opportunity. Samantha Chazen landed in the middle of the magic, helping coordinate unforgettable weddings.
Talking to clients, doing walkthroughs, site tours, get to help assist with the wedding itself and the receptions and cocktail hours. I get to assist with banquets and sales. It's so rewarding to see people want to be here.
The joy she sees in guests, she felt it too, thanks to the Sweet 16 of interns who became family.
This means I'm gonna get some in this time. I was very nervous coming here and not knowing anyone, but every single person I've met within the internship has just been incredible, lifelong friends.
At Concierge, Joseph Peter Ganilla thrives on the fly, solving new problems every day.
There's a new question every day that you've never heard in your life, and it's about figuring that out as quickly as possible, as efficiently as possible.
But it's not just the work, it's the people.
Living in the dorms, meeting all these new people, and everyone's in the same boat.
In the kitchen, Isaias Ortiz Narvaez learned what teamwork really means.
Without my team, I couldn't be able to do this by myself.
And for him, Omni's strength is its heart.
It's a big company, but at the same time, it feels like a small company. You can see how they promote from within. And that to me is really important.
For John Batchelor, it all started with one conversation at a career fair.
Which is where I met Margaret. I just fell in love with the hotel industry.
He leaves with clarity, skills, and momentum.
They set you up for success. Give you the building blocks so you can build up to what you want to do.
The knowledge, the experience that they walk away with makes them so qualified for that next step, which is always a big step.
You can learn more about the OmniCare internship program by reaching out to Margaret directly at the information at the bottom of your screen. And we'll see you here.